Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn that how we can use Google Font in Windows. Google Font is a great option which Google is providing to us. There is a 1052 fonts are available on Google Font website which you can use it free in your Windows, and it also allow that when you install in your Windows it will automatically plug in with your Microsoft Word and Excel or any other application as well. So let's start the session. First of all, you need to type Google Font. Now the first link in front of you, which is Google Font, which need to click on it. Now the website of Google Font have been opened. Now if you can see, there is an option of browse font. If you will click it, the font is display in front of you, which is 1052 fonts are available, which is free of cost. And the next is icon. If you will scroll down, you can also download the icons as well. It will not charge to you. So I will go to the font once again. So what you need to, this is a criteria. If you will click on it, by default it will check all the check boxes, and I prefer you that it allow you to check the all check boxes, so it will really helpful for you. So next option is language. If you want to change your language and see the font results, for example Arabic, so you will click on Arabic and the font have been changed in Arabic and you see the final result of that font. If you want to change in Bengali, you can change in Bengali as well. So this is the Bengali have been changed and the result in front of you. So this is the feature. Now there is another feature which is font properties. If you will check on this checkbox, number of styles available in the below screen in front of you. It will show all the styles which are currently available out of 1052. If you will check this checkbox, then it will show the thickness font is available out of 1052 fonts. So all the thick fonts are available. Then if you will select the slam, then all the slant font, it allow you to show the slant font in front of you. So this is how you can change according to your requirement. And the last option is width. If you need to require a width font, you can select the width font as well. I am selecting right now slant. So all the slant font in front of us. One more feature I want to tell you, there is a sort by trending. It is automatically by default is trending. It's mean that these are the font currently in trending. Most of the people are using these font. So you can change it as a most popular font as well. So it will change. Currently, unfortunately, the same result in front of us. It will not change. This is the most popular font as well in slant. And if we will go for newest, so now it will change. Now there is some newest fonts available in front of us which Google have launched. And if you will click on by name, so it will do by the name of the font. As you can see it, that all the font is by name in front of us. Now what you need to do is, if you like the font and you want to install in your computer, so what you need to do is, for example, I will take homemade apple. So I want to click on this font and this will open in front of us. If you want to make little bit of changing according to your need, you will change over here. You can increase the size or decrease it as you need it. So this is how you can do it. Now if you want to download it, you need to press select this style. Now there is an option available. It will saying that download. I will click on download. Now you can see homemade apple is downloaded. Then I will go to my download folder. Now you can see this is a folder have been downloaded, which is a zip file. I need to extract it. So I will extract over here, and now the file has been extract and the font is in front of us. Now question is that how you can install in the Windows. So it will allow you to use all of your applications as well. So what you need to do is you need to click on the Windows, then click on settings, then click on personalization, then select font. If you can see, I will type the name homemade underscore apple over here. So there is no result in front of us. So right now this font is not available. So what I need to do, I just need to go to this window and select the font file over here and just drag it and drag over here when the copy in front of us. Now I am dragging it. It will take little time to install the font in the Windows. So I am now it have been done. If you can see the homemade apple in front of us, and if I will open the Excel to show you that I am automatically able to use the font, I write down my name and I will increase the size, then I will go to the home. So this is the homemade apple font is available. I will click it and now you can see the font is working for me. So this is a great feature which discussed with today with regards to Google. I hope that you will like this session. If you like this session, please like the video also. I would like to thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.